Hey, so right here I have this coffee table that I wanted to review. So we have this in my living room and I couldn't help but film this whenever the sun was hitting this perfectly because it just looks so good. So this is made with a high density board that has a natural wood finish that just looks really nice. And we have this nice curvature going around with like the slat panel design that's really trending right now. So I think that's really cool. We also got wood legs. These are reinforced wood legs. We have the felt on the bottom, so it's gonna have nice support. This sits completely flat and level, really easy to move around, slide around if you need to. Now you can put this on carpet or hardwood, so either way, it doesn't matter. But this looks so unique and cool. I've never seen anything quite like this. The material on the top is really easy to clean. It's like a waterproof, so you can just wipe it down really easily. It's actually tons of storage inside here. I got a little bit of decor on here just to match because this is definitely my colorway. I love the natural wood look, and we even get a ton more space inside. Overall, this is a really nice piece. It definitely complements the room really well. I would say this coffee table also looks good with a little bit of a lower couch because the coffee table does sit a little bit low, and assembly on this was probably 10 minutes or less. Very easy to follow directions and really easy to work and set everything up. But overall, it's a really nice piece if you're looking for a nice natural wood aesthetic with ample storage space and something that's gonna stand out and last a long time. Add this to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.